Want to know the key of your track? Let's find it in FL Studio in just a few simple steps. First, open FL Studio and make sure your track or audio is loaded. Once you've imported your audio, double-click on the track to open the window. Then, right-click on the waveform in the window and select Edit in Audio Editor. This will open up Edison, where you can see the waveform of your audio. Next, right-click on the waveform again. Navigate to Regions and select Detect Pitch Regions. FL Studio will automatically analyze the pitch and key of your track. Give it a moment, and once it's done, you'll see the key of your track displayed right at the top of Edison. Simple and quick, right? You have now detected the key of your track in FL Studio. Now you can continue producing, knowing the key of your audio for better harmony and progress. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you in the next one.